Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Lisa from Lisa Macrame, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful rose crochet coaster. So let's get to this tutorial. So for this tutorial we are using this peach color for the base, this green for the leaves, and we are using these two crochet hooks. For the base I am using 4.5mm crochet hook, and for the leaves I am using 3.5mm crochet hook. Besides that, we are using this red color yarn for the roses, and you can choose any color, whatever color you like the most, and I'm using these three colors, or maybe I'm gonna go for the blue one if not the red. So let's get started with this tutorial. For the base I'm using this peach color yarn, and hook size will be 4.5mm. So first we are going to make the magic ring. Now let's make chain 2, 1, 2, then yarn over, and let's make 8 double crochet in this magic ring. So we are not going to count this 2 chain as 1 double crochet, so we are going to make 8 double crochet in this magic rings. Double crochet means the second, so let's make 8 double crochet in this magic ring. So after making 8 double crochet in this magic ring, now let's pull this little yarn very tight. So after making 8 double crochet in this magic ring, we are pulling this little yarn very tight. Now we are going to insert the crochet hook on the first chain we have here, and let's make a slip knot like this. So in the second row we are going to make chain 2. Now insert your crochet hook on the same space and make a double crochet. Then again insert your crochet hook on the next chain and make 3 double crochet on the same space. Remember, 3 double crochet in the same space. Let's make again 3 double crochet in the same space. So let's repeat this process all the way around till we reach here. Now we are here at this point and going to insert our crochet hook on the first chain and make a slip knot like this, and let's make chain 2 again. 1, 2, then yarn over and insert your crochet hook on the same space, and let's make 1 double crochet. Now insert your crochet hook on the next chain and make 2 double crochet. Then insert your crochet hook on the next chain and make 2 double crochet, and let's repeat this same process all the way around. So after making all the way around, and now in the last row we are going to make the single crochet. So remember to make a slip stitch here, then start your single crochet. Make single crochet in each chain, do not do any increases or decreases, just do single crochet just all the way around. After making the single crochets all the way around, now let's make the slip stitch. Then our round is fully complete. Now we are using the green yarn. Let's take the green yarn and make a chain like this. Take the base and now insert your crochet hook on the next chain after making the slip stitch. Now insert the green yarn through the back side and pull it out. Now take this green yarn and make another slip knot. Now make chain 1 and pull it out. Now again yarn over and insert your crochet hook on the same space and pull it out and make a double crochet. Then let's make chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, in yarn over and insert your crochet hook on the same space and make double crochet like this. And now do not use this 2 chain, working on the next, means the third chain here, and make a double crochet, then chain 3, 1 2 3, then again yarn over and insert your crochet hook on the same space and make double crochet. Now again left 2 chain, 1 2, and working on the third chain, yarn over and insert your crochet hook, make a double crochet. Now chain 3, 1 2 3, chain 3, then again yarn over and insert your crochet hook on the next chain and make double crochet. So this is the same process just for all the way around till we reach here at this point. After making this pattern all the way around, now I'm going to join this two. Now insert your crochet hook in this V shape and pull it out and make a slip knot like this. So after making the slip knot, it is fully complete. This is the back side here. Now we are going to use the other crochet hook. We are not going to use this one. After joining this here, now we are going to, after joining this in here, we are going to make chain 3, 1 2 3. Now we are going to work on the next chain and make a single crochet in the next chain here and make a single crochet. Then again insert your crochet hook on the next chain and make a single crochet. Now let's insert the crochet hook in this V and pull it out and make a slip knot like this. So our one leaf is complete. Now after making the slip knot, let's make chain 3, 1 2 and 3, chain 3, then insert your crochet hook on the next chain and make a single crochet. Then again insert your crochet hook on the next chain and make a single crochet. Then insert your crochet hook in the same V we have in this V, then make a slip knot. Now we are going to insert it in the middle and again going to make a slip knot. This two V and this is the middle. Okay, as you can see there are a small gap in the middle here. We are going to insert it and going to make a slip knot again. Then we are gonna go to the next V and insert your crochet hook in this V, then make a slip knot again. Okay, then chain 3, 1 2 3. After making this chain, we are going to insert it in the next chain and make a single crochet. Then again insert the hook on the next chain and make a single crochet here and insert a crochet hook in this V, make a slip stitch, then chain 3, 1 2 3. Then again insert your crochet hook on the next chain and make single crochet. Then again insert your crochet hook on the next chain, make a single crochet. Then insert your crochet hook in this V again and make slip knot. Now we are going to insert it in the middle here and make a slip knot, and again we are going to insert it in this V and make a slip knot, then chain 3. So we are going to keep repeating this process just for all the way around. In one V you have 2 leaves like this, little leaves. Remember you have to working on this V. So I'm going to meet you after completing these leaves all the way around. So after completing these little leaves, I ended up in here because we started from here, and I gently make the slip knot in here, then make a last slip knot in here, then cut the extra yarn and tie 2 knots in the back. So in last you have to make a slip knot, then tie both of them, both the yarns, then your piece will be complete. So in the next process we are going to make the flowers, means we are going to make the roses in here. So where we're going to make the roses, for example, I'm not cutting the back threads, so we are going to make the flowers in the middle of the 2 V's. Okay, in here we are going to make the flowers in here, means the roses. So between these 2 V we are going to make it in here. So let's make the flowers, means the roses. So as I already make some flowers, So after making all the leaves all the way around, as I told you, these two in this V shape, so after making this leaf, we start making the roses here. And I already made these roses. It's because I want to make one blue and one pink, so that's why I already make some of them. And as I told you before, that we are going to make the flowers, the roses, in between this V. So I'll show you the close-up where we're going to make. So we are going to make it in here, so there going to be a gap, so there are no issue to where to put your crochet hook. You're going to put your crochet hook here, as because there is a hole in the middle. So we are going to make the pink one, as because we already complete the blue one. So for the pink shade, I am using this dark pink color. Now the crochet hook size is 3.5 millimeter. Now let's make the chain. So now I'm going to show you the last part, how to make the roses in this coaster. Now just insert your crochet hook here in the middle between the two V. After inserting it, then take the chain and pull it out. Now let's make chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So after making the chain 7, now let's yarn over and then insert your crochet hook on the next chain and insert it in the second chain. Now let's make half double crochet. So after doing the half double crochet one time in the first chain, then we are going to again yarn over and insert the crochet hook on the next chain, and let's make 2 half double crochet. Now again yarn over and insert your crochet hook on the next chain, then make half double crochet. So in first we are going to do 1 half double crochet, then from the next we are going to do 2 half double crochet in each chain. Now again 2 half double crochet, then again 2 half double crochet in the next chain, in the same space 2 half double crochet, remember. Then in the last chain we have this one here, and let's make 2 half double crochet. So after making the 2 half double crochet, let's take the first part. So take the first part and wrap it up in round like this. So here we have our rose. Here. So after wrapping it up like this, now we are going to insert the crochet hook here and go all the way to that side. Just remember, you take the whole round and pull it very tight, then go to the back side, the yarn, and then yarn over and pull through from the flower, means the rose. So after pulling it out, it's not going to coming out. So now we are going to do is going to insert the crochet hook here in this area, then we are going to pull it out, pull it very tight, then let's make a slip knot. Now insert the crochet hook in here, then again pull out, then again make slip knot. Now let's cut the extra yarn. Now pull it out, then pull it out from the downside here. After pulling it out, it's gonna look like this. So we are going to making the shape. Now in the back, you see we have 2 pink yarn. So let's tie 2 knots in the back side, very tight. And this is how we are going to make our roses. So here it is, and I hope everyone can understand what I am telling right now to how to make the roses. So here it is. So let's make all the roses in pink, and let's get here after making all the roses. After making all the flowers, I mean the roses, all of them, so it is fully complete, and this is the complete look. And this is the back side. I already cut the extra cutouts and sew them up. So how do we going to sew it up? So we're going to need a needle, and this is the last cutout that I'm going to sew, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So just put the yarn in the needle, then just simply, you know, put back to the flower and pull it. Then we have this cutout. I'm going to cut the extra yarn, and it's fully complete. Our rose flower coaster is fully complete, and this is the back side, and this is the front side. I hope everyone liked this tutorial today, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial. And if anyone going to make this beautiful flower rose coaster, do tag me on Instagram and I'll share it to my story. And so this is all for today. Thank you so much everyone for watching this tutorial, and do not forget to subscribe my channel and like, comment and share. So see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye everyone, be safe and keep creating, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Bye bye everyone, see you in my next tutorial.